what we have to do is that, okay, let this be, we can directly open it and get this, open it. Okay, this one image. Okay, so this is the image we have got it. We just give okay. It's okay. So here using this, let me see, try to convert with that color. It is not possible because this is now color contrast is not there. So only thing that we can do here is that only to draw it. So better we will draw it here. So you can use something like this. First this is something like a circle. Okay, to that size I will make it, create. Okay, now go to the node editing, then you can bring this closer, this one also closer, and we can bring this also closer, and also this thing also closer. Okay. I want this node only, so node I kept it here. Okay, so using this line I just try to make it from this side. Okay, from this side it is not okay, so what we can do is that we just pull it. Okay, a little bit we pull it here, also a little bit we will pull it. Okay, here also the same method we can use to pull this little bit here, this side, and also a little bit bring down, this also bring down a little bit and pull this side, here also a little bit and pull this side and bring down. Okay, here also we have to do like that, and we have to make sure that the other side also is working properly, it's coming properly. This side is clear, this side is clear, this side is clear. So here some problem this side, so what we will do, we will use this, okay, this to bring that perfect. Okay, this one is coming. Okay, this one I will just bring it down once again, and bring it down. Okay, so it's came almost closer. Here I will bring it up a little bit. And okay, here also some thing is there. If problem in adjusting with this, you can also do one thing, we can also insert one node here and then pull it. Okay, that way also we can clear it, because too much troubling the other side will be a problem. So this one with this, okay, this one with this one with this, little bit, okay, also a little bit, here, a little bit here. So what I can do is that one more I can insert and bring it more closer, it will give me a more smoother look. Here okay, here also some changes happened. If you want, okay, you can make it like this, or if you want to pull it from here, you can pull it from here. Okay, that there is not much changes this side. Okay, so if you add more nodes, we can bring it more closer. Okay, if you add a node here, we can bring it more closer. Okay, without disturbing the other parts, little closer. Okay, also if everything is okay up to a particular point, you can create a node there. See, up to this point everything is clear, means to this point everything clear, you can create a node. So from there it will not change, so only from here only it will change. Okay, so that is, okay, we can add one more node also. Okay, so somewhat okay, here also somewhat okay. can pull it from this way also. You can also move it a little bit from this side also. Okay, so you can adjust like that, and you can bring to more closer required. Okay, so this outer line is okay. Now these two lines we have to create. For that we have to go again for another polyline. We will go for polyline. Okay, here what we can do is that we can simply pull it like this, 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 and pull it like this, like this, like this, like this. Can create like this. Okay, this both together, so we can just outer. It should be so. Now what we can do is that little bit we can reduce the shade under the color of we can do in this one. Okay, 2D and little bit shade, so it is easy for us to draw this from here. This we will make it as a spline in node editing, then we will make it as here as this is B spline. Okay, so you can make it here. You can also make it as B spline. This is, you can make it as smooth. This also you may make it as smooth. This also you as smooth. Okay, just pulling this, you can bring it more closer. Pull it, can bring it more closer, and here one more point better to insert, so that I can pull it a little bit this side. Okay, then from this way we can adjust this. Okay, little more inside. If you want, you can bring it little more inside. So this way we can insert it. This way it has come. From here again, if you want to insert one point, you can insert it to just pull this way here, and here also if you want smooth. Okay, so that you can pull this to this boundary. Here also you can make it smooth, and you can pull this to a boundary. You can also make this smooth. Okay, then you can pull this to the boundary. Here also smooth. Here I will make it as BB spline. No? So if I want, I can add and insert a point also here. Okay, so that I can pull this way. Here also I can make it as here smooth. Here also yes. So somewhat aligned now. Okay, now here yes, pull it here. Okay, this is straight. Here I can make as smooth here. Pull this little bit this side. This one you can pull this side. After that you make it smooth. So then this tangential, there you can make this way. Okay, so this way here also. Okay, we will make this make it smooth. Okay, make this also smooth, that will be there. Let me smooth, also smooth, and pull this. So you can pull this, also smooth, then pull this here. So you can smooth it also, here also you can smooth it. Okay, smooth it, and pull this. So here also a little bit, just to see if you can smooth and do it. Okay, it's almost okay. Okay, here fine. Here if you want some spline type, then you can just pull this way you want. Okay, this way if you want you can do that. So this is the way we can finish. Here also we want B-spline, or you want a point to insert and smooth it. So it'll be okay, I think. So that way we can draw this one, and all other thing also we can draw in this way. Like now you have to draw inside also. So this one also we have to draw. Okay. So what we can do is that this we will do smooth, 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 smooth. Pull this to this point. Okay. I'll insert one more point and then pull this little bit this side. So that way this will be okay. This will be okay that way. And another line, what we have to do is that we have to create one line from here to here, here, here one, here one, here one, here, here. Like that we have to create for this also. You have to make this smooth again for editing. Then we have to make smooth. somewhat okay. If you want to adjust, we can adjust this. So okay, then this will go to for this. So this way we have designed this logo in 2D. So what we have to save it in this format in this desktop peacock. Okay, then sorry, we have to export. Okay, then save.